Okay, next problem we have e to the x dy dx plus xy squared equals to 0. Find the solution. Again, if there is no initial condition, we can only determine the general solution of this problem. So as before, we try to split all the all the problem, yeah, all the y in the left hand side and all the x on the right hand side. Okay, I don't know. I always find it helpful if we color code it. Yeah, all the x in green. This is all the x, and then all the y in yellow on the color. And then this is the green colors. Okay. So by convention, all the y put it on the left hand side. So we have dy. Sorry about that. Dy of oh no, let's just write down everything first. Here is this. Okay, and let's just write down everything. In this case, e to the x dy over dx equals to negative xy squared. Now we split step and then. Okay, let's the yellow color will be the one dy, the one, and then the green color will be the one of the x plus x. So we take out all the y on the left hand side, so we have dy over y squared, okay, equals to negative x dx divided by e to the x, which is, now we have split them essentially. Yeah, so this is, you can say this is separable, okay, separated, and therefore the next step is integral, integrate. So in this case, integral of dy over square equals to integral of, okay, we're going to split, we're going to bring the e to the x to the top. So we have negative side here, so don't forget to put negative side there. We have x multiplied by, this is multiplied by the way, x, oops, x e to the power of negative x. Okay. So that's the integration. So integral of dy over y square equals to negative integral of, remember we're going to bring e to the x to the numerator part, to the top part. So that become e to the power of negative x. Okay. So how to integrate this? I hope you remember. Yeah? This is a multiplication, x multiplied by e to the power of negative x. Okay? Therefore, we will have to use integration by parts. So we can say this is part 1 and then this is part 2. Okay. For part 1 is a little bit easier. Integral of dy over y square is simply negative, same as integral of y negative 2 if you want. Okay, dy, okay, so negative 2 plus 1 will become negative 1. Okay, so it will become, I don't know if you remember. Okay. So this is the same as the integral of this part will be 1 over the replacer, negative 2 plus 1, okay, brackets, okay, and then this y to the power of negative 2 plus 1, okay, and then plus. So in this case, we have negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, so we have negative of y over negative 1. Okay. Plus c, or negative 1 over y. So, negative 1 over y. So that's the solution for the first part. That is our solution number 1 for part 1. negative 1 over y plus c. So for part 2, we just do the same thing here, which is integral of negative, yeah, don't forget. Just highlight it. Okay. Integral negative integral of x multiplied by e to the power of negative x dx. Okay, we will need to do integration by parts. Okay, I don't know if you remember integral of u dv, isn't it? Integral of u multiplied by dv equals to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so could say this is our u, and then this whole thing is our dv. And so by principle, I choose u to be the one that is easy to differentiate. Okay? So we have u equals to x, therefore du with respect to x is equals to 1, or okay, du equals to dx. That's element number 1, and then our dv is dv is e to the negative x dx. Therefore our v is negative 1, yeah, negative 1 multiplied by e to the negative x. So our v is simply negative e to the power of negative x. So substitute everything to this general equation or general formula. Okay. But our problem is negative, so we can leave it for now. Yeah. Oh, we can write down here. Negative of x multiplied by e to the x dx to the negative x, yeah, is ub. Ub will be, that's u, that's v, so x, oh my god, there is a negative sign here. So in that case, I have to put negative there, x e to the negative x. Thus we have our ub, u times v, and then minus integral of v du. This is our v. So v is negative e to the negative x. So negative multiplied by negative is gonna get cancelled. So I put plus, okay, because of the cancellation. So now it becomes ub, the integral v, okay, e to the negative x du. Du is the same as dx. So formula here du equals to dx. So e to the negative x. So moving on, so we have negative x e to the negative x plus the integral of e to the negative x is simply negative 1 times e to the negative x. Let's see. Okay, so that's the solution. I mean, because of the negative sign in the beginning, we just basically cancel or change the sign. Yeah, so the negative one here will become positive. So we have x multiplied by e to the negative x. And so this is negative sign. So that will become positive. Yeah. So because it's negative 1, so we can cancel by negative 1 here, become positive. E to the negative x. Let's see. There you go. Wait, we should be able to simplify further actually. So this is equals to, sorry, so this is simplified to e to the negative x, This is x plus 1. Okay. Let's see. Right, so we have, if you combine with the first one, this is element number 2, if you remember. So this will become negative 1 over y equals to combine. And have the paper, so I have to go edit paper. Okay. We have negative 1 over y, negative 1 over y equals to the first one here, e to the x. Let me just double check all the sign is correct. Yeah, negative x plus 1. I think I may have displaced one of the sign here. So let's just moving on. So this will be negative 1 over y equals to I think everything is correct. I think so. Everything is correct. E to the x or e to the negative x, x plus 1. So ideally we have to get rid of the negative sign in the beginning. So if we rearrange this further, you get y of equals to, okay, so bring the whole thing here to the left hand side, so y go to the right hand side, so imagine like that. So this will become negative of 1 over e to the negative x multiplied by x plus 1. Can be like that. Okay. Plus a constant c.